Today we are going to talk about BCNF, part of Database Management System course. Boyce-Codd normal form is a property of a relational database design that is based on the concept of functional dependencies. It is a stronger form of normalization than third normal form. It is designed to eliminate certain types of anomalies that can occur in a database design. To achieve BCNF, a table must meet the following requirements. It must be in third normal form, which means that all attributes in the table must be directly dependent on the primary key and there should be no transitive dependency in the table. Every determinant in the table must be a candidate key, that is, a set of attributes that uniquely identify a row in the table. A determinant is an attribute or set of attributes that determine the values of other attributes in the table. In BCNF, every determinant must be a candidate key, which means that it must be able to uniquely identify a row in the table. Enforcing BCNF helps to eliminate certain types of anomalies that can occur in a database design, such as insertion, deletion, and update anomalies. It also helps to ensure that the data in a table is stored in a consistent and predictable manner and makes it easier to search and query the data. However, it is important to note that the BCNF is not always necessary or desirable, and the appropriate level of normalization will depend on the specific requirements and constraints of the database. In some cases, it may be more appropriate to use a weaker form of normalization, such as third normal form, in order to achieve a better balance between the benefits of normalization and the overhead of maintaining a fully normalized database design. Thank you for watching.